So this house here, I just did the eaves troughs. I will be doing the siding for these guys next time for a bunch of reasons I'm not going to point out right now, but battery's going to die on this. But yeah, so eaves troughs. It's white eaves troughs with gray downpipes, royal gray number 4 actually. I guess just make it blend all nicely. So I got everything. It's a perfect slopes back to it. All continuous, one piece. I use strip miters too, a little cleaner. We'll take a look at these downs. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I bet you when it falls down, it falls straight. Yeah, it does. So here I ran right through the deck. Right there. So that it doesn't, like later on, doesn't run out onto the deck. It can just deck around it. Makes more sense to me. Downpipe. All continuous. There's no joints in any of this here. Like the longest length we got is 40 feet. So that's pretty good. Cut this lady's downpipe down for her. Kind of saved me some water because it was raining like a bastard. Nice and clean. Frontline exteriors, siding, eaves trough, and custom capping, and some roof.